I would recommend ExcellED because I've seen the difference between a traditional school and a Montessori school as far as what it has to offer, especially in my child's social and emotional and educational development.
I love that it was an individual education. One of my favorite things is that each kid has things tailored to them that, is based off of their strengths, their weaknesses. The small class size, loved that, especially in comparison to the other places that we toured. And then, of course, their teachers. Everyone was just so warm and hospitable. Kid can't beat it.
We have 100% confidence in ExcellED, so we feel we would recommend this to our friends. We get complimented on our child on does your kid go to school? Where do they go to school? And we explain to them like, hey, she's here. This is what she does. They allow her to be herself. They let her blossom in her own manner, and she's been excelling in everything that we've put on her.
Her vocabulary is completely improved. She's saying so many more words, and she's saying them, and I can tell that she's confident in saying them and that she really knows what they mean. And so my husband and I are like, oh, okay, we've never heard that word before, and that's nice, okay.
Do your research, but also come in and see the environment and know that your kid is going to be well taken care of. All the options they have in learning in the classroom, the things that they do, it serves them well.
Knowing some of our friends who all have kids around the same age, some in Montessori, some in traditional preschool and daycare, it's night and day. The amount of attention that's given to each individual kid, even down to their naps, it by and large, exponentially greater than what some of our peers have.
They constantly give us pictures throughout the day, and so as a new mom, it was so comforting to have, honestly, almost hourly updates between when she was napping, when she had a diaper change, when she ate, and then getting a picture update during the day. All of that gave me a lot of comfort to help me ease into the daycare process from being at home with her 24/7.
I would recommend ExcellED because our child loves it. We love it. We love the staff. We love everyone, and we have complete trust here.